In this video, I want us to use a multimeter and check for continuity in fuses. We want to see whether a fuse is good or bad. So for a multimeter, basically you have to make sure this thing is in the common, the ground, and then the red probe, it is in we're going to measure continuity, so it must be here. So I'm going to turn this, it was originally off. Let me turn it to the continuity setting here. So when you're measuring continuity, if these two probes connect, they should give you that clicking sound. I think you hear it. So when I'm measuring the fuse, I put one end of the probe here at one end of the fuse, and another one here. So if you say multimeter giving you that sound, that means our fuse is good. Same case for this. Same case for this. So if you ever measure continuity and you don't get a value, or you get a zero reading, it means that our fuse is blown. Okay, I also want to check. Let me check this slow blow fuse. Pull it out, and you can measure it. You can put here, okay, here, and then here. So our fuse is okay.